and the goods have arrived, but it's currently 2:07. Well, they have started coming in. So these ones are tables. Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eva Ndunde. If you're new here, hi, you're most welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So guys, I know if I don't do this right now, I'll not do it. So I'm getting ready to go to town. It's currently 7:40 something, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, 7:50 something. I'm almost finished getting ready, but I needed to come on in here and introduce this vlog, because I know if I go to town like that, I'll probably not do it. So yeah, I have a very huge consignment that arrived yesterday and I need to clear it. This is even bigger than any that I have showed you guys here, and I don't exactly know what has arrived because so many things have delayed. There are some goods that were sent out in December. We are in March na bado hazijafika. Yes ma, I don't know if it's just me ama your kids also start misbehaving kulialia when you're almost leaving the house. Sizes they don't want me to go with. Oh, and then I'm wearing this tee. Can you see it has this mark? This mark is a made in Kenya mark. So I'm wearing a made in Kenya tee. I bought these ones. I think I bought two, this one and a brown one. I'll share with you in the video when I get to wear it, but it's the first time that I'm wearing it. I got it like 2 weeks ago, but I cleaned clothes last week. Yeah, today is on Wednesday, so I cleaned them last week. Imekuwa tu Sato, Sunday didn't go out. No, Sato I went out. Sunday I didn't go anywhere, well, apart from church. As I said, I never wear trousers. I just do dresses and skirts. And then on Monday I was in town. On Tuesday, however, which was yesterday, one of the kids tulikuwa tumempeleka hosi juzi usiku, like Monday night, so she wasn't feeling well yesterday. I didn't go anywhere, I was just indoors. So yeah, now hey, those goods, I haven't even spoken to the cargo. I haven't paid, but I need to do that like as soon as I leave the house. I'll do that in the matatu when going to town, so that he can go and collect and then bring them to town, and so that we can also unbox. I'm not also doing any makeup, any sort of makeup apart from a gloss, because it's going to be a lot of work that I'll be doing. So yeah, I don't need all that. Yeah, and I'm looking for earrings now to wear. So I'll catch you in town, guys. Oh, so I think the earrings, these are the only earrings that I'm going to wear today. Anyway, as I was saying, the kids interrupted me. As I was saying, I'm sending the guy to go to Marikiti today. I don't have the time to go there, and yeah, so I'll send him to go to Marikiti to buy me the things that I need, and then we will do a haul maybe in tomorrow's video, so stay tuned for that. This video, however, will be dedicated to the goods that have arrived for home imports, which is huge. It's huge, because anyway guys, bye. I'm gonna see you later. Hey guys, so we are in the shop and the goods have arrived, but it's currently 2:07. Since I spoke to him, he's been busy, so I just asked him to bring whenever. So they are almost here. He's told me that he's along River Road coming this way, so in about 3-5 minutes time he'll be here. Let's wait to see what we have and unbox. Please like, share, comment and subscribe if you haven't, and yeah, let's do this. Oh, I have some helpers with me. I have my sister right here behind me because she came to help me. But yeah, I also have the shop guy who stays here and serves you guys when you come in, and I also have another guy to help to assist bring them inside. So yeah, that's 4 of us, so let's do this. Well, they have started coming in. I wasn't in the shop, and the first item is this. It's supposed to be 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Yeah, it's a white basket, but this one, the CBM, is going to be a lot, but let's see. Oh, the second one is the electric drill. Oh, this one is here. I'm gonna share with you how it looks like. Please don't mind that. In a near issue ingine next. So yeah. So these ones are tables that are still continuing to come in. Some more. So far, these are the boxes that have come in. I don't exactly even know what is there, but I had 30 cartons coming. So I'm gonna unbox what I can and then show you. So because of time and space, I'm just gonna do this first. So this one is the cabinet organizers for plates and cups and stuff like that. Comes with some thingies so that isikugwarie cabinets zako. So this is a plus. So the next box has these lunch boxes which look really cute. Let me show you the colors that it came in. So these are the other 2 colors that came in, just to be sure. I'm gonna share the prices as well as we go on. This is the other item. You guys have been waiting for this one. How did it come together with these other things? Because they went to the warehouse so long before this one was delivered. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yes. This is a pressure cooker, in case you're wondering. So yeah, it's also here. Only in this color. Let me see if we can see the color. It's not white. So anyway, this is the color that has come in. Oh, it's so cute. So yeah, but I think there's another color because I had been told it's in green only. So I'm wondering how it's also in white. Okay, on to the next. So this is the other item that has arrived: the salt, the honey, and honey jars. This is how they look like. Like literally it's 3 sides. So yeah, this one is also here. Look at how big the griddle is. It's so huge. It's so huge. This is 64 centimeters. I'm gonna show you mine in another video, so you see how big, because I'll be making breakfast with this. So, oh, and also cooking. So yeah, this one is also here. I'm pumped. So this is the 10 kgs or 10 liters rice baskets. Yeah, it's also here. I think I had about 2 boxes for this one. So I had 3 boxes of the pressure cookers, but I'm gonna check on the colors that have arrived, because naona zingine ni white But I think I had been told it's green that was available, so I'm gonna check if it's green because everyone who ordered thought it's all green.
What?
So,
I can't say, just a minute.
and I'm also gonna show you how the shop looks full. But I am just glad everything for last year it's here. Yeah, grateful. I have decided to connect one, and I'm just gonna record with my phone because the camera is dying on me. Wow, so I have managed to connect this one, and this is how it looks. It's so long, like this is literally the size of someone, a whole 5 point something. I think it could be not 5 centimeters, like 5, I don't know, but 5 foot, sorry. It could be 5 and something foot. So we have that one. This one, right now I'm doing my calculations, clearing and whatnot. This one needs 9,500. If you're interested, let me know. 9,500. Let me show you how full the shop is. So here is the shop. Do you see? So inside it's boxes and whatnot. We have lunch boxes which came. We have this basket, laundry basket. We have the tables down there, and then there are so many things. Usually there are rice baskets or rice canisters. Where there we have the cabinet organizers. It's a lot. We have the pressure cookers, and yeah, everything. It's full. Nothing else will fit. If yeah, that's me. I'm super tired. So guys, yeah, that's it for now. There's one box that has arrived as well, which I'm gonna share with you in the most likely in the next video. So yeah, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. Bye guys, thank you so much.